If your U.S. company is hiring engineers from Mexico, then you've probably already heard about the TN visa because it is the fastest and most cost-effective way to bring in skilled engineering talent. But there is one common issue that can really trip up employers and lead to a potential visa denial. And that's knowing whether the position qualifies as a TN engineer or as a TN engineering technician. And now, after the June 2025 USCIS update, you also got to make sure the degree discipline really matches the job duties. Hi, I'm Sarah Wyngaard, a U.S. immigration attorney and the owner of a recruitment agency that helps U.S. companies recruit and hire Mexican engineers and technicians. So let's break down how to get this right. Okay, so the TN visa. It was created under the USMCA trade agreement, formerly NAFTA, and it allows Canadian and Mexican citizens in certain professional occupations, including engineering, to work for a U.S. employer for up to 4 years at a time with unlimited renewals. Now, for engineering-related roles, you typically get one of two categories. The first one is going to be an engineer, and the second one is engineering technician or technologist. Now, getting that classification right is really essential for compliance and for visa approval. Okay, so to qualify under the engineering category, the candidate must hold a professional bachelor's or licenciatura degree in engineering, so mechanical, industrial, electrical, civil. There's a lot of different categories that will work for a TN visa. Now, under the June 2025 USCIS guidance, the field of the degree must directly relate to the duties of the job. Very important right now. Now, if your role involves, design, development, analysis, maybe supervision of projects, and the candidate's degree matches that discipline, you're on solid ground. Okay, what about an example? So maybe a mechanical engineer designing automation systems for your production line. That's a clear match. Okay, now we have the engineering technician category, or the scientific technician, SciTech. By contrast, this category is for individuals who've completed at least a 2-year technical program or have that much experience, plus relevant experience assisting professional engineers. Now, these are hands-on roles, kind of testing, installation, maintenance, maybe quality control, but they're always performed under the supervision of a licensed or professional engineer. All right, what about an example? Let's take a maintenance technician. This is someone who might support engineers by maintaining robotic assembly systems, or a quality technologist collecting data for engineering analysis. Now, if the candidate doesn't hold a full engineering degree or the duties are primarily support level, this is usually the correct TN category, SciTech. Okay, but here's where employers are getting caught right now. Now, in June 2025, USCIS officers were given guidance to scrutinize more whether the degree discipline, the job title, and the job duties all line up with the same engineering field. Okay, so if you're offering a mechanical engineering role to someone with a chemical engineering degree, or maybe your job description just sounds more like a technician position, that's going to be a red flag. So the degree and the role really must align. When in doubt, get a second review before filing. At 3A Immigration Services, we help U.S. employers hire Mexican engineers and technicians the right way, ensuring every offer letter and visa package complies with the updated 2025 TN regulations. If your company needs skilled engineers quickly and compliantly, you can use the link below to schedule a consultation. I'm Sarah Wyngaard, helping U.S. companies build world-class engineering teams through cross-border talent done right. Give us a call.